What's up, guys? So, this is the first episode. I'm gonna be talking about variables in this. So you got all this. Now you should link up in a new place. I'm sorry. You got a file. Publish to Roblox. You should name it something. I just name it teaching. Yeah, and then me. You can like publish this on groups, but this is gonna be a me game. And yeah, there we go. So first of all, you should not put a script into the workspace. I did this back then. You shouldn't do this. This is why server script service exists. Got a script. You can call it, so you can call it like variables. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm coughing right now. And then, enabled, it'll, like, so this print hello world thing. We enable this. Play. I'm sorry if it's too, fast paced. And it prints hello world. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll get to variables eventually. Then enabled. And then you check this off. Don't, like it's false. It does not print hello world into the output. But we're not gonna like do that right now. So enable your script. So there's like different types of variables. There's like, okay, I'm literally just coming off of this with the top of my head. So there's like local variables, and you can make this like whatever you want, like 1, 2. It can be a number. These like quotations are called strings. You can put like text in here, like this is a like string of text, or you could like make this like a table, and then you could like put your stuff inside of this, like guest 666. Oh, yep. You gotta put your comma there, or else it won't work. You don't have to put a comma on this last one, but like you can. You guys, 1337. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so that, but I'll explain tables later. And then there's like local variable. Let's just initially set this to like. Okay, so we got a part. Now I'll explain like all this later, but part probably should be anchored. If you know, like if you already have experience with this, you don't have to worry about it. But we can name this part like test part or whatever. And then local variable, like you don't have to name this, and part is equal to workspace dot part. Wait, called test part actually. And you see. You see, it'll show like what this is. Matches this, and it shows the name. However, I think sometimes it just will like give you an error, because it does like sometimes the script could load before like all this loads. So for that, you could use wait for child, so colon, wait for child, test part, bada bing, and like the script will wait for this to load in, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, there's like non-local variables. Like you could do this, but I don't really recommend this. It kind of just looks weird. Doesn't really match up. So just always do like local whatever. Local like part, and then test part. Now this is yeah. So that's basically a variable. Yeah, we could do like a number variable, like local number 1 is equal to just 1. Local text string. Now I see a lot of like see a lot of people do this. So like the first like letter is not capitalized, but in the second word, like all this is like capitalized, like text string thing some kind of like this. But yeah, look at textures, and this is a string of text. That is, and then numbers, and then you could do a table, local table. Oh, well, you shouldn't name it like that. That is a keyword, like table, like table dot. What was it? Okay. Well, I accidentally just T, like table. Just name it like that, because this. I keep messing up. Table fine. Then this is where you like do your table. Now this isn't explaining tables. It's just kind of brief. I'm getting like so off track. But you could put like your you could put guest in here. Table fine. Table 1. So that's the table. Like these curly brackets. Not like these. Not like that. That. And I'll explain them later. Like, oh yeah, I forgot. You can like this is basically the same thing as this, except watch this. If you have like a space in there, it's gonna do that. So it's just like the same thing. And also you want to match this up. Change back to wait for child. Okay, back to the table. And then whatever in there you want to find. If like you want to do an if table.find then do something. This is a comma. It doesn't run this code. So I'd say those are basically variables. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and yeah.